Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off auto dark mode on your Reddit app. We will go to turn off this mark on how we can do that on your Reddit app. All you have to do, you will just go up here in this picture, you will click, then this window show for you, then you just go down, you click here on settings, then you come to settings window here in this window, then you just go down here and you come here to auto dark mode here on this window. You will click here and it's going to show for you this, sorry, we will click, then it's going to show for you this window. You just click here on off, and like you see now it's turned off. Like you say, it show for us this color here or white color. So that's all now. I wish now you I get it. You just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.